and welcome to this, which is my first unboxing video, and that is of this, the Club 3D Radeon R9 290X. Now, if I end up babbling on a bit with this, it's because this is my R9 290X. There are many others like it, but this one is my R9 290X. So let's get started. So first of all, it's got an outer wrapper, and then a nice flat box with some details on the bottom outlining how to install it, or specifications, the usual bump, and interestingly no security tabs on it, so hopefully we can get straight in. And that's new, free AMD t-shirt, nice. Congratulations on your purchase of AMD product, redeem for Battlefield 4, so I'll be using that later. A do not disturb door hanger, gaming in progress, Club 3D, and a driver disc, and a quick installation guide. If you don't know how to do that, you may want to do something else. And here we have the graphics card itself. The usual anesthetic bags, so we can get in. Right. There you go. So this card is based on the new AMD architecture, the Hawaii architecture, which is why when they first spoke about it, they decided to have a massive press conference in Hawaii, and as you can see, it's a standard blower design rather than an open cooler, which means that all the heat gets exhausted from the machine. They don't seem to be quite as efficient in this day and age, but they seem to work okay. Now, I'm not sure with this particular model if these red lines light up like the original ones do, but hopefully it does, because I think that would look really nice, especially if you've got a Republic of Gamers motherboard or something. And so this card has 2,816, I believe, stream processors, rather than the sort of 2048, I believe it is, of the the last generation sort of top-end card, the 7970. It has 4 GB of GDDR5 memory running at 5 GHz, and it has a clock speed of up to 1000 megahertz. And the reason I say up to is because the actual card is capable of dynamically overclocking itself and underclocking itself with regards to temperature. It uses, I believe, the technology is PowerTune 2, which effectively you can select what you want the maximum frequency to be, what you want the maximum voltage, maximum power consumption to be, and what the maximum sort of cooling ability is, and what the maximum temperature you're allowing it to get up to is. And by doing that, you can actually effectively adjust the speed of the card and overclock it relatively easily, rather than having to sort of manually go through all of the settings, manually change everything, and hopefully get the best out of it. So as far as I'm aware, I've not, obviously you can see I've literally just unboxed it, but from what I've seen, you can go into the drivers, adjust the sort of maximum parameters, and then let the card do what it wants. And by doing that, you can sort of get a nice, hopefully a nice overclock out of it. But even if you can't get it to overclock particularly well, it can still beat the current, the current high-end card from NVIDIA, which is the 780 GTX, or GTX 780 even. Now, it's not quite as good as what it was originally banded about, that it's the Titan killer, but to be honest, for its price of basically £450 over here in the UK, it's probably the best price to performance card available at the moment, and it does beat the GTX 780, which costs about £50 more depending on what version of the card you get. So it's definitely a very, very good card, and I'm looking forward to having to play with that later. And one other thing, apparently you actually get 2 t-shirts with this particular graphics card. Hey! Okay, thank you for watching. If you like the video, like it. And don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching.